10 Money Moves to Get Rich by 30, Zurich LBK Finance. What's good, fam? Welcome back to LBK Finance, the spot where we break down money moves that actually matter. No fluff, just facts. If you're grinding in your 20s and your goal is to hit that 6 or 7-figure mark by 30, this is your blueprint. I've got 10 money moves that'll take you from just surviving to thriving. If you apply them, let's get into it. 10 tips to get rich by 30, LBK style. 1. Master a high-income skill, your money starter pack. At LBK Finance, we preach skills over degrees. Learn one high-income skill, like digital marketing, copywriting, or editing, and watch it change your income forever. You don't need connections, just discipline and internet access. 2. Turn skills into systems. Don't stay stuck freelancing forever. Take your skill, build a personal brand or service, and automate with systems. At LBK, we call this the skill stack to scale track. 3. Spend less than you earn, always real flex. Having cash stacked while everyone else is broken designer. LBK rule, income up, expenses steady. That gap is your freedom fund. 4. Invest like you mean it. Whether it's ETFs, dividend stocks, or real estate, start early. We're not about get rich overnight here. We're about get wealthy for life. Compound interest is your financial cheat code. 5. Build multiple income streams. It's mandatory. At LBK, we don't rely on one bag. Your job pays the bills, but your side hustle, investments, and digital assets build wealth. Think 3+ income streams by 25th of June. Use smart leverage. Leverage isn't risky. Misusing it is. Use other people's time, tools, and platforms to grow. Whether that's outsourcing, using credit strategically, or building audience leverage, LBK Finance is about smart scaling. 7. Surround yourself with winners. You can't think rich when you're surrounded by broke mindsets. Join online communities, show up in DMS, go to events. Your net worth follows your network. That's real talk. 8. Stay humble. While you stack at LBK, we say, let your assets do the flexing. Don't upgrade your car before your investments. Stack first, shine later. 9. Own, don't just earn. Employees get paychecks, owners build legacy. Build something that pays you in your sleep. Content, equity, digital products. That's wealth on autopilot, LBK style. 10. Think long, move fast. You've got 5 to 10 years to change your life, but you've got to move like you're already behind. We're playing the long game, but with daily intensity. At LBK Finance, we don't wait, we build now. There it is, 10 moves to build real wealth before 30. You're not too late. You're early much if you start now. Which of these are you already doing? Which one are you adding this week? Drop it in the comments. And if you're serious about escaping the rat race and living life on your terms, hit that like, subscribe, and keep rocking with LBK Finance. Peace, power, and profit. See you in the next one.